Hello, my name is William, and today I'm presenting to you an application that I've developed to analyze tweets. So throughout the presentation, I'll be walking you through how the application works and then help you understand the stories behind all these visualizations available. Now, to start with, the application is made up of four basic parts. That is one for showing the tweeting pattern, the next one over here showing the most common words, and then right at the bottom here we have a word cloud and then a sentiment analysis session. Now, how does the application works? It is very simple. Right from the start, when the application is first launched, it displays information for the entire period within the data set. So as we can see here, under the tweeting pattern, we can see from November 11, 2014 to May 14, 2020, and the same thing can be seen in all the other plots. That's the default behavior of the system, but the user can interact with the system by using the basic functionality of the app. That's by changing the year, so all these plots can be viewed for different years. So as a demonstration, let's view the tweeting pattern for the year 2018. Yes, and as we can see, the graph has responded by now showing us from January 15, 2018 to December 29. The same thing can be done here. So similarly, for the most common words, we can also change the year, and we can see it's respond. And additionally, the user can change the number of words. So by default it displays 10, and we can increase it by moving it to the right, and then decrease the number by moving this control to the left. So the same thing, the other two plots have the same feature, that's showing the information for different years. Now, to look at the story behind this application, I would like to first of all introduce to you where I obtained the data and then the kind of manipulations that was carried out. So the data for this analysis was retrieved directly from Twitter with the help of the Twitter API via the R-Tweets package, which is available in the R statistical software. And as it is common with text data, the data comes in a very unstructured format, so one has to do a very deep cleaning. And thankfully in R there are a couple of packages or libraries that are available to help one clean up the data and then put it in the formats that these other packages can work with. So once I obtained the data, I went ahead to obtain the words for each of the tweets, and then for the words I had to remove some common words, typically like articles like the word there, is, and then those common words which don't carry any meaning, they wouldn't make sense in the analysis, so one has to do away with them. And then the text comes with links and other unwanted characters which must all be removed. So I went ahead to do all of that. Now, what is the story behind all these visualizations? Let's begin with the tweeting pattern for Barack Obama. As we can see, the information here is the tweets from November 11, 2014 to May 13, 2020. For the former president of the United States, Barack Obama. Okay, so for the pattern, as we have it, we are now seeing the tweeting pattern for the year 2018, and then we can see that the president in that year tweeted in the very early in the morning, as early as midnight to 8 a.m. and then we have him tweeting the most at the 11th hour of the day, and that's decrease as we move to the right. And now we can see that he tweeted the list during the 11th hour of the day. And then so we have a good sense of how the president tweets, and we can see this for all the various years. Now, with the most common words, what the system does is once a year is selected and then a number is chosen, the system goes through the whole data cleaning and manipulation, and then come out with the topmost words among all the meaningful words in the tweet. So as we can see, we have these words, and among the top the top 5 words, you can see that the word people, the president must have been tweeting a lot about people, precisely maybe the people of America. And then down here we also have almost the same information, but this time leveraging on the size of words. So there is a word cloud, and we can see that by this word cloud, the word people again, vote and world. And one thing is that words of equal size means they have the same number of occurrence. So all these 3 words are the most occurring, followed by change and the leaders and day, hope, health, in that order. So you can also change the year as well. Now, the most interesting part is the sentiment analysis session. So here, basic sentiment analysis is carried out through visualization, and as you can see, information being displayed for the year 2016. Here in the year 2016, from January 1st to November 5th, we can see that the president tweet can be classified as positive. Yes, so sentiments are emotions that we attach, that can be attached to words, and from this we have a sense that generally the president tweets were positive. Yes, so that is how the application works. And right at the bottom here we have the source and then the developer and then the professor for the course. Thank you.